So hey viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are sharing some nail art for Valentine's. So before starting the video, who are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest and trendy updated videos. So let's begin the video. Today's video is totally special and totally helpful for you because we are sharing a lot of cute, classy and stylish ideas of nail art for Valentine's special and especially for girls. So guys, watch the video till end and select the idea that you like the most. So guys, you can also do a such kind of nail art by yourself, and even if you are not a nail art expert, so guys don't worry, you can visit the salon and even you can use some kind of nail sticker for your nails for Valentine special. Just a kind of hearts like that will be super cool, and everyone is very beautiful, very classy, very elegant. So guys, take the screenshot of that idea that you like the most, and even you can download the whole video. So whenever you will be free, you can go to your offline videos, watch the video till end and select the idea that you like the most. And every idea in this video is totally superb, stylish and classy, so you can groom yourself on this Valentine by such kind of nail art. Guys, please subscribe for more videos. Thank you, goodbye, stay home, stay safe, stay connected.